Hello guys, welcome to Affiliate Marketing Tutorial for Beginners Part 6. Now in the Part 5 of this training series, we saw the entire email process setup and why email marketing is important. Now in this Part 6 of this tutorial series, I'm going to discuss about one of the most lucrative things, or if not the most important, if you're an affiliate marketer. And that is going to be about high ticket offers. Now, any offer that is about $1,000 range is going to be a high ticket offer. Now, how do you promote high ticket offers? Yeah, essentially, you can do it in two different ways. Number one is going to be email marketing, and number two, it is going to be through social media marketing. Now, before going to my screen, if you really like my content and want to get real updates and step-by-step tutorials about how to do affiliate marketing, then please hit the subscribe button below and in order to get your updates. Now, if you remember the part 5 of this training tutorial series, I have explained you the entire process flow and setup that I use in my business. A, B, C, D are different solo ad vendors, and we're going to get traffic from these vendors. And from there, the traffic is channeled to a squeeze page, and in turn, we are going to promote them any sales offer. And even at the back end, through email or automations and email broadcast, we are going to send them to different offers. And once the prospects or subscribers buy these offers, they are moved into buyers list C. Now, buyers list C are the ones who have bought the low ticket offers, any offers that's less than $20. And from there, we are going to send them to a mid-ticket offer. Now, mid-ticket offers are anything around $200, $300, even $400, even $500, $600 range. So these are going to be your mid-ticket offers. And once they buy the mid-ticket offers, they are going to move into a separate list called buyers list B. And from there, you can send them to different high-ticket offers. Now, high-ticket offers are anything above $1,000. So you can send them different high-ticket offers in order to build your buyers list E. Now, this entire setup and automation can be done by a different tool, which I have explained in the earlier video, which is called Optin Dojo. Buyers lists A are the most precious list among all these buyers because these people have been proven and financially capable of buying thousands of dollars, even $10,000s of products online. And do you know that they are going to buy again and again if you promote any different high ticket offers? Yes, they do buy different high ticket offers. Now, you might have a question. Why do these people buy again and again different high ticket offers? There are two reasons. Number one, these people have come along this journey called buying different low ticket offers, then mid ticket offers, and eventually buying the high ticket offers. Now, after these experiences and journey, they come to know and they realize that only through high ticket offers, they are going to get the real expertise, real knowledge, and real methods that are going to get them succeed online in their make money online journey. So that is why they keep on buying high ticket offers. Now, the second reason is that many people are committed to what you call it as the shiny object syndrome. Now, you might have heard this word time and again. Many people always look for the next shiny object. And these people try to be up to date and want to get the latest methods. So they keep on buying these what you call as high ticket offers. So that's why people who buy high ticket offers are always looking for another high ticket offer. Now, the second method is called social media marketing. In social media marketing, you have to put your relevant video related content on different topics related to affiliate marketing or whichever product you're promoting. And it should be in different platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And from there, when people watch you and really like your content, then you build your followers or the tribe who keep on watching your videos and like the content what you put out there, in which in turn builds your know, like, and trust factor. And once you build your trust factor, people start messaging you respective platforms and even joining your email list and trying to email you back about the offers that you're promoting. And from there, you can promote your high ticket offers. Now, at this point of time, you might have a question. Now, why can't I directly promote the high ticket offers using email marketing? Yes, you can definitely do it, provided you already have a good knowledge of how to use paid traffic on different social media like the YouTube or Facebook, and from there channel the traffic directly into your squeeze page or the opt-in page, and then send them to a different funnels like the webinar funnel or the VSL funnel or even the quiz funnel, and booking consultation calls with them. And from there you have to do your email marketing campaigns, continuous follow-ups using different product positioning strategy in order to promote these high ticket offers, which is why I always recommend you to start small and slow when it comes to email marketing. And from there, you can use solo ads as your main strategy to build up your email list fast. Just remember, guys, when it comes to promoting your high ticket offers, it all comes to how well you can build your trust and credibility factor. That's why when you notice the process flow, which I showed you earlier, that it takes you to the bias list C and then bias list B and then eventually to bias list A, which is done by a series of email follow-ups and then segmenting and eventually building your bias list A. But when it comes to social media marketing, it's all about how you do with your content strategy, and also the prospects who see you, who know you, will ultimately DM you, message you, and in turn, you can promote these high ticket offers once they trust you. So that's all for today. And if you really like my content and want to get up to date step-by-step tutorials and how-to guides, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button below in order to get notified every time I upload a video. So in the next part of this training series, I'm going to show you one of the most important when it comes to email marketing, the three major important authentications that is very much needed. So please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.